Our cells need NAD to function for anything that requires energy within the cell. So whether that's DNA repair, whether that's building proteins, whether that's removing mismatches in the DNA, all kinds of different areas, literally everything that's happening in the cell needs energy. There's so many different types of stressors. And so when we think of our environment around us and our environment in us, all of the different potential things that are going on there. So too much sun exposure is definitely one. Poor diet is definitely another one. Breathing in pollution, our bodies have to fight that too. So that's another one that we have to deal with. Poor sleep habits. And then there's some that the over exertions. If you're exercising way beyond probably your personal limit, your NAD is probably getting to a point where it's depleting when you're running 100 miles a day. I just read about someone doing that and I was like, I should send them some Tru Niagen. Their NAD is probably a little bit low. This is what I'll say about how much to take. Every single person is a little bit different, and every single day you are a little bit different. And for a very healthy state, just maintaining like that 300 milligrams per day is probably great for you. If you are an athlete and you're overly exerting your body and you know that you're taking it a little bit past that level of comfort, then probably upping it would be helpful. A lot of the research that we have been conducting through the ChromaDex external research program that's been conducted by external investigators, they are looking at 1 gram per day and being able to show benefits, and even 2 grams, and we even have one study that's looking at 3 grams per day. So we recognize that every body, every condition, and every situation is a little bit different, and you will figure out what you need based on when you start taking it. When we are supplementing or we're taking a drug or something like that, the first time you take it, your levels get increased a little bit, and then there's a period of time where it decreases, and then the next time you take it, it goes up. And these are what we call dose response curves. And so as it relates to nicotinamide riboside, when you first take it, you're going to see that increase, and then over time you're going to see an increase. Because you want to get to a point where you're at steady state so that when you're taking it, your body NAD levels are remaining consistent. One of the questions that people have is, when I'm taking Tru Niagen, how do I know that it's actually working? What I would recommend is that you test before you're supplementing, and then 2 to 3 weeks after you've been supplementing to see what that change looks like for you. 90% of people will be able to see that when they supplement with at least 300 milligrams of Tru Niagen, that your NAD levels are going to significantly increase over a 2 to 3 week period of time. You don't have to go in and have a blood draw and have your samples analyzed that way. And so with this, you can do it at home. It's fairly simple. The process and instructions are right there for you. Mail your test in and get those results. Once we take Tru Niagen, it's helping at the cellular level, it's helping at the tissue level, it's helping at the organ level, and it's helping at the whole body level.